All right, today I'm going to be assembling the ClosetMaid 24-inch horizontal stackable organizer. So this is a hole on top so you can stack these if you want. And it's kind of offset a little bit, so I'm going to put that in the back. You can see this side is finished. It has that white coating, and then the other side does not. And make sure that we are finished on the top and on the front over here. Do the same thing on this side. And then we'll put the middle shelf in. All right, now we're assembled. So the last thing is we can take these little plastic caps and we can throw these on here if you want. You don't need these, but they can make it look kind of nice. For these holes on top, if you're going to be stacking, you can throw the peg in, set the next one on top, so you would just line that peg up with the bottom. If you're not going to be stacking, you can use this little cap, plug it with that. And then the last thing is this. If you're going to be putting it on a shelf or somewhere up high, you can screw this in. You just pick a spot that looks good to you or that's going to fit with your wall. So if you want to hit a stud, you can do that. Then it has this screw to put into your stud.